What are you doing? You saying hello? Hello. You gonna let me do my intro? Hi, I'm Jo from J.H.Leather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sharpen and maintain your stitch groover. Let's get started. Okay, so this is my stitch groover as it is before we've done any sharpening to it. As you can see, it's not cutting the best, and then it's sort of like it's not coming off in ribbons. So what we're going to do is get this nice and sharp. So with the grooves that you have just made, we're going to fill them with like a polishing compound. Now, if you have like a pre-made like polishing block, like a jeweler's rouge, you can polish that and sort of work that into the groove that you have made. Now, I didn't have that, so I'm making up a mix here of tallow and carborundum powder, which is what I usually use on my strop board and what I'll be using in the little groove that I have made on the scrap piece of leather. So you want to work that into the groove. Now, because mine is sort of not a solid compound going in, I sort of have to keep topping it up, but that is absolutely fine. And like I said, if you've got like a polishing compound, like a block of it, you can just work that and rub that into the groove. Now, I am going to take off the guide for this. What we're going to do is we're actually going to push our stitch groover away from us and through all that polishing compound in the groove that we have cut on our leather. Now, like I said, I keep having to push my polishing compound back in, and that's not a problem. We're just going to continue doing that. We're going to do a few strokes up just to get that nice polished edge on our cutting blade. And now once you've done that, you should have something nice and sharp like this. And as you can see, this is taking sort of ribbons off of the hide, which is what we are looking for. And even on the back side, on the flesh side, which is notoriously difficult for stitch groovers, it's working fine. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you now have a nice sharp stitch groover to use on all your leatherwork projects. So that is it from us. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos and tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video. Won't we, Skylar?